I can't say it enough. Like, I'd be blue in the face saying this until I think the day I die, is like, the idea is more important than everything.
Do you believe that making $100,000 a month with an online business is reserved for a lucky few, born with genius brains and the perfect circumstances? Well, Paddy Galloway's amazing story is here to change that belief. He has made a remarkable turnaround in his life at just 27 thanks to YouTube. He's now a source of inspiration for over 5,000 creators eagerly waiting for their chance. From making videos about MrBeast's incredible success, Paddy now works side by side with MrBeast himself. And guess what? He is making some serious cash. Now, Paddy is just an average guy who became an expert by learning some essential skills. Curious to find out how you can become like him and exponentially increase your income in 2024? Watch this video till the end and make sure to check out the links in the description box to learn more about making money online. When you hear about a young person in their 20s making millions, the first thought might be, oh, they got lucky. However, Paddy's journey to becoming a millionaire wasn't an overnight success. There was a lot of struggle behind his viral videos. He first discovered YouTube when he was just 11 years old in 2007. Like most kids his age, making money was the last thing on his mind. Living a regular life like any other kid, Paddy discovered the platform during summer holidays in the countryside. With boredom setting in and no nearby friends, he had enough time on his hands to explore the platform. Remember, YouTube was still in its early days, lacking many features it has today, but Paddy instantly fell in love. Fascinated by the idea that YouTube allowed anyone to share a video and reach thousands of people, Paddy eagerly started posting videos, and let's face it, those early videos were, well, a bit cringeworthy. I mean, who posts videos of wrestling with their brother on YouTube? But young Paddy didn't care. He was just having fun. As puberty hit, the regret quickly kicked in, and he deleted all that embarrassing stuff. Nonetheless, those initial videos marked the start of Paddy's incredible journey. Little did he know that his fascination with YouTube would one day propel him to new heights. As time was passing, Paddy's fascination was growing by the day. He was spending hours glued to the screen, figuring out how YouTube channels worked. He noticed that many channels were gaining a massive audience. This was new to Paddy. So, he got determined to uncover the secrets of the algorithm, the strategies that led to growth, and how successful channels built strong communities around their brand. In his bedroom, he even had graph paper and was tracking video views by refreshing the YouTube homepage. Even then, it wasn't about money. He was simply curious. One of the major breakthroughs he had during this time was realizing that YouTube wasn't just about randomly uploading videos. Almost all the successful channels had a proper niche. Choosing the right niche is crucial for a YouTube channel because it helps you focus on a specific audience, gather more views, build authority, and establish credibility and expertise in a particular field. Additionally, it attracts relevant advertisers and sponsors. The more specialized the niche, the higher quality sponsors and greater earnings you can achieve. Keeping this in mind, Paddy began his YouTube journey like every other creator, experimenting with different topics, such as, how much money do celebrities make? He had multiple channels, stepped into different video formats, and, for a beginner, he did pretty well. You might think this was the moment when everything fell into perfect harmony, right? Well, not exactly. Even though Paddy was making money on YouTube, he felt something was off. Like many, he didn't see YouTube as a real job, but more like a side hustle. Seeing others opting for regular jobs made him think about different paths. During this time, Paddy created videos like how Peter McKinnon gained 1 million subscribers in under a year. Some did well, but many flopped, making him doubt and almost quit YouTube. When Paddy got a job offer from a consulting company, he accepted. Yet, there was a voice inside him. A voice that urged him to give his childhood passion another shot. So, with courage, he gave YouTube one last shot, putting everything he knew into making a viral video. And behold, he created the MrBeast video, which became Paddy's most viewed one. It gained hundreds of thousands of views rapidly, transforming Paddy's view of YouTube and altering his life's course. In about 2 weeks, the video reached 2 million views. This time, Paddy worked hard on every detail, from catchy thumbnails to epic titles, content quality, and mastering copywriting. The realization hit when he earned more on YouTube in a month than he would be making in a year at his job. It was a mind-blowing moment that solidified his commitment to YouTube. The following months, Paddy kept making videos and they kept blowing up. because this time he focused more on quality, consistency, and acing the thumbnails and strategies. It wasn't long before Paddy realized that he could guide fellow YouTubers, assisting them in enhancing their videos with his strategies. So, beyond managing his own YouTube channel, Paddy started collaborating with clients, contributing to an impressive tally of 10 billion views over the last decade. When Paddy began consulting, many wanted to jump on board, but it's not for all. Why? Because consulting demands results up front. You've got to prove your consulting works and demonstrate results to clients. Only once you've succeeded can you dive into consulting others. Paddy had already learned all the tricks and strategies of YouTube and shown results. So it's no surprise that his popularity was growing more and more. And guess what? MrBeast, the huge YouTuber he once made videos about, messaged him on Twitter. Now, Paddy helps big creators like MrBeast, Jesser, Jordan Matter, Noah Kagan, and Sidemen grow their channels and make more money. His waiting list has over 5,000 clients in queue. Today, Paddy stands as the most sought-after YouTube strategist in the world. He continues to be an example of never giving up and the potential YouTube holds. He hasn't posted any video for a year though, but he plans on returning soon. So if Paddy's inspiring journey has sparked your interest in starting your own YouTube channel, listen up. Before you dive into the business of YouTube, here's the inside scoop. Launching a full-time career on YouTube, like Paddy did, comes with its own set of ups and downs. On the downside, your financial stability may be unpredictable due to a heavy dependence on ad revenue and sponsors. And let's be real, creating, promoting, and managing your channel is no walk in the park. YouTube's ever-changing rules can also throw a curveball, making it tricky to predict your video's popularity. However, once you've honed your skills and built a thriving YouTube channel, you're in for a treat with all the benefits it offers. With YouTube, you enjoy immense creative freedom, producing content on topics you love. You become your own boss, and your videos can reach a global audience. Besides, there are multiple avenues for earning, including ads, sponsors, affiliate, digital product, and merchandise sales. Essentially, it's like turning your passion into a well-paying job if you navigate it wisely. Thinking of diving into the world of online income streams, but does Paddy's route seem a bit daunting? Consider selling digital products. Don't worry if you're feeling unsure about what to create or doubting your expertise. There are digital courses available for you to learn and become a digital marketer. Plus, some of these courses offer master resale rights, allowing you to purchase a product and then sell it for 100% of the profits. Curious to learn more? Check out the link in the description box for all the details. This could be the nudge you need to start your exciting online journey in 2024. If you enjoyed this video, give that like button a tap and hit subscribe for more content about inspirational stories of successful entrepreneurs and their income streams. See you in the next video.